Hi, and welcome to our walkthrough for issuing dividends in Crunch. During this session, I'm going to show you the unique functionality that Crunch has when it comes to issuing dividends and also producing dividend vouchers. So the first thing you'll want to do is head to Pay Yourself and then select Dividends. And then on this page, select the New Dividend button, as you can see here. Now, the first thing you'll want to keep an eye on is Section 1, which I've highlighted. This is going to give you some really useful information about your dividend that you're about to issue. If I just quickly pop in a date here, so this is going to be the issue date of the dividend I want to take, it now shows me that the maximum dividend I can draw from the company at the chosen date is just under £3,000. You'll want to make sure firstly that your account is fully reconciled before issuing any dividends, because this figure shown here tells me the exact amount of dividends that I can withdraw at the given date. So this means that you're not going to overdraw. You might even potentially be able to take more than you thought initially as well. Make sure you're reconciled first before you issue a dividend, and then you'll avoid any complications down the line. So if I now go ahead and enter the amount that I want to take under the date field, I'll go ahead and put 2,000. It's then going to give me a dividend breakdown underneath. If you've got multiple shareholders, each of them will be shown here, and then you'll be able to issue dividends to all of your shareholders at the same time. And if you want to create the withdrawal, so if you're going to take it on the same day that you're issuing the dividend, just tick this Create Withdrawal box. And then all you've got to do is enter how the money is leaving the account and from which bank account you're taking the dividend from. So you can go ahead and press save once you're happy. And as we can see, the dividend's been created alongside the director's withdrawal. And now we've got the details of the dividend as well. And you've also got the opportunity to download the dividend voucher or perhaps email them if you need to. Now, if we go back to the list, in the future, when you want to create new dividends, head to the same place, go to New Dividend in the top right. However, this time in Section 1, you'll notice that although it's the same date, the figure has changed. So it's a real-time reflection of the maximum amount that I can take in dividends at any given time. That completes the guide for issuing dividends in Crunch.